Well. Happy freaking, I almost said Saturday. Happy Friday. Welcome. Wow. You get, I don't know if you guys can hear all the commotion down in the brewery below, but
They're having a good Friday.
you're having a grand old time.
Yep.
All right. We got a lot of stuff and things that we want to talk about on this fantastic freaking Friday. Normally we do a live, but we decided because we're still doing stuff right now. Plus we're preparing for an event tomorrow, but we wanted to let you guys know of a couple of things here. Jesse made some limited, how many bottles did we end up with? Like 15? Yeah. Because you guys during the streams were asking for Orangewood Beard and Body Wash and TCVC.
Yes, sir.
So TCVC and Orangewood, they're gonna go up as we were putting this video out. I'm gonna turn them on. They're not gonna pop up in the. Oh my gosh, it's getting even louder.
Yeah.
They're not gonna pop up in the news section. So for all of you OG bearded bastards, you guys can grab these like right now before I shoot out the email on Sunday, letting everybody know that they will be there. So a little insider alpha for you guys on those two. Then we have, you guys remember Whoops, right? Well, Whoops was it was YSL and ombre that were accidentally mixed together, and instead of scrapping it, we decided to run it. Back then it was like 5 or 6 months ago, I think, by now.
I feel like it was a year ago.
Probably.
Yeah.
Time flies.
Yep.
So the feedback on this was crazy. Everybody was asking for some people got some custom butters to go along with it, because we just did whatever oils that we had, those went out. So we decided to bring this back in a full batch. So we're doing oil, butter, and balm. These will be going up Sunday at 12 noon. Woo, that's for you, Scuba. Then we have the brand new one, Forbidden. This one we talked about on Wednesday's stream, or was it Thursday? I think it was Thursday.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, for the voting stream. And this is, how would you describe that one? It's just like
Forbidden.
forbidden fruit.
Pretty much.
I'm going to put the description for both of these.
Perfect.
Yeah.
I like that.
Down below, so you guys can read into that. Plus, they're on the app. Speaking of the app, how many of you have downloaded the app yet? If you have not downloaded the app, this is where I update everything. You can see it on here even before I send out the email. And I send out notifications through here. It's the most cost-effective way in order for you guys to get notified of all the new stuff. So again, I'll put the links for the app available on iOS and Android down below in the description. What else do we got? Oh, beard competition. So unfortunately we found out about this late. Actually, Jesse did through another YouTuber.
Irish Bearded.
Yeah, Irish Bearded. And it's like 2026 Beard and Mustache Championship over at Boomtown Brewery, downtown LA. We got tickets for it. We're gonna go as just, I guess observers. Yeah, we're gonna bring some care packages, some like giveaway packages that we put together, and then some other like oils and stuff and some samples that we can pass out. Hopefully they don't get mad at us. I already reached out to the people that are putting it on via Instagram, so we'll see if they come back with like, yeah, that's cool, or like, no, you can't do that. I'm going to try to live stream it. I have the live stream set up for it and all of the description for it, which I'll also put a link for that down below. You'll be able to find it when you click on the live stream tab. You'll see it right there next to the mega giveaway. Yeah, the mega giveaway.
Sunday.
On Sunday, 2:00
Here.
I think it's going to be the best one yet.
It's a big one.
There's so many entries in the Wheel of Wow. Yeah, Wheel of Wow. I almost said it. And I've been, every single order that's come in that's been over the $75 threshold, we printed out these little fancy QR codes, putting them on each order. I text each individual person with a link to the live stream and a video of my ugly mug saying like, hey, you bastard, not sure if you know, da, da, da. And a lot of them, I would say like 95% of the people had no idea that we're even doing that. So hopefully it turns out good. It's either going to go one or two ways. It's either going to be like, we're going to be pulling tickets like Bueller, or it'll be really good and, we'll flow through it like we normally do.
Yeah.
So yeah, there is a lot happening this weekend.
Yes, sir, there is.
So yeah, 15 of these going up like right now. So you guys will get the insider scoop on this before anybody else does. Then Whoops Oil Butter Balm and Forbidden Oil Butter Balm is going to go up normal time on Sunday. And then we're going to see you here on Sunday for the mega live stream.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's grow.
It looks like you're falling asleep over there.
I'm just terribly hungry. It's 8 p.m.
Oh,
It's 7:30.
I'm such the
slave driver
over here.
No, wait.
What? Huh?
Yeah, let's go. Let's grow. We got this.
All right. Well, I think that's all the alpha that we have for you guys. Click all the links and stuff down below. Leave a comment in the description. Let me know if any of you are going to be in the downtown LA area. Stop in, say hi, shake our hands. It'll be fun. It's our first like beard competition. Like I said, I wish we found out about it sooner so we could actually like been an official part of it.
Yeah.
But we'll see.
All right, better late than never.
Yep. All right, I better go get her fed before she cuts off my throat.
No, so. I'm just lower energy is all.
All right. Well, like, comment, subscribe, do all the stuff and the things so we can continue to grow and build the luxurious empire. And make sure to follow Jessie G Hot or Not too. She's where are you at? Are you almost at 300?
Yeah, almost at 390.
Right.
290. I'm almost at 300.
Woo.
Yeah.
Let's go.
290. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Yep. Appreciate that.
All right. We'll see you guys later. Until next time, stay luxurious, my friends. Well, you're not going to say it now?
What?
What you always say.
Oh, do something nice for somebody today.
Without expecting anything in return.
You'll be glad you did.
Oh, and branded for beards, intended for humans, not responsible for any babies being made while wearing said products. How was that?
Branded for beards, intended for humans. Not responsible for babies made while luxurious bastard. That's supposed to be like Micro Machine Cars Fast.
That's the new.
Not responsible for babies being made while wearing luxurious bastard.
Usually they do that, and they're like, you're like, yeah, right. Like I knew what that said.
No, these better all be gone. Wade.
She made these specifically for you guys.
Specifically for you. Wade and loins.
Yep.
Yeah.
Custom.
Don't let me down. Well, actually, to be fair, I don't know if Wade wanted any at all, but they all profess their love for these profiles. And Andrew has to get his, for sure, 5 of each.
His 5.
So
Yeah. I think
there's only 10 left of each.
what
pretty much.
I know. Yeah. Once Andrew sees this.
Yeah, well, Andrew gets first pick, so don't even come at us until his. Oh my gosh, can they hear that? I have a feeling we're gonna have to re-record it.
We're going with it. Hopefully you guys can't hear that. I don't know what they're doing down there.
They're enjoying their life and their friends and having fun. We'll get there one day. We'll have fun.
Yeah.
For now, we work for you because we love you. All right.
See you Sunday. Well, actually, we'll probably see you on the live stream tomorrow if they let us do it. If not, we'll see you Sunday. Cheers.
Yes, cheers.